Man, kites.
Do you know what a kite is?
That you fly up in the sky. How about you open up some other presents first, and then maybe we can open that. Okay?
Yeah, just look at each present, and then we'll decide which ones you want to play with now and which later.
Cars. Again. No car one.
Whoa.
My name right there.
Yeah, how do you spell it?
E-L-L-I-O-T.
Yeah. That's from Aunt Dorothy and Aunt Bee. They know you like cars so much. You want to open up a present?
What's this in here?
I don't know. Let's see. What's that?
Gloves.
Gloves.
That's your phone.
Yeah, that's my phone. Should we see who it is?
Another. This one.
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh, it says Wally on it.
Wally. How about this one?
Whoa.
A new helmet?
A new helmet. What's on your helmet? Look down here.
Oh.
What's on your helmet? Oh. Elliot, what is that? Elliot, look. What's this?
Hungry caviar.
Yeah.
This one.
What's that? Oh, Elliot, that's gardening stuff.
Yeah, Elliot and I just got
A
home.
watering can.